I can't tell when last I bought myself like a new outfit, because my outfits are quite okay. You have people on the road that wish for something to wear, wish for something to eat. My name is Cheruth, Wright, from the company Cheruth Creations. I am the CEO, but I'd rather to be understood as a humble servant of the Lord first and foremost. When COVID happened, when the average person was just looking at the lockdowns and, vaccine, etc., I was wondering, the homeless people that eat from our leftovers, if we're not on the road now, if we're not dining in now, where are they getting food from? What are they eating? I am between feeding the homeless and actually going into the children's home now, to not only to fellowship with them, but to also speak about Christ and his love for us. I can't tell when last I bought myself like a new outfit, because my outfits are quite okay. You have people on the road that wish for something to wear, wish for something to eat. So when I decide, I don't know what to eat, should I eat this or eat this or eat this, they're wondering when next will they eat. So my spiritual eyes are no more opened. I just want to serve more. One day I hope to actually own a shelter for the people who are on the road that want a shower. They want fresh clothes,